Well,
here we go. Let's get rid of this supercharger and do a little spring cleaning.
This is it. Yeah.
Yep, that's it.
I'm tired.
Basically.
Really freaking tired.
I don't know where we're going.
Oh yeah, follow me. Here's the thing. Nathan says he doesn't know where he's going, and truthfully, I don't really know where we're going either. So, surprise! Said next to the Quick Trip on Mason. So let's just go to Mason and.
I don't even know where Mason is. He's been living in this town for 3 years now, and I still don't know his street name.
Follow me. What an idiot. I do not see a little Beamer here. Call Damon.
He's late.
Are you serious?
So once again, we're waiting for Damon.
What the heck?
Yeah. Oh.
Call Damon up.
He's being stupid.
Yeah, call him up. This is freaking ridiculous.
Yeah.
All right.
We'll see how it
okay,
starts.
fine. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
And so it continues.
I don't know how to get downtown.
Follow me.
Late again.
About freaking time. Oh my gosh.
Okay, fine. Okay, all right, fine.
David, we need to have a little talk about communication. All right, let's go. Here we go. Not too much.
I'm assuming you know the basics. No burnout.
Yeah, no burnout, no nothing stupid. Yeah,
have a good time.
got it. All right, appreciate it. Say hello. What's up? What's up, guys? We're there! Woo! Holy man. Oh, all because of this guy. Although we got to make a stylish entrance, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. David goes, yeah, that was my plan the whole time. Yeah.
I'll give you Green Bay car scene's first meet.
Hey, there you go.
What's up, Eric? you're ever wondering how we get some of our shots.
Genius, boy. You're genius. I'm actually trying to get good shots of vehicles this time.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Hey, Nathan.
What?
The cops.
Hey.
All right.
You want to hang out with me?
Need everybody over here for a very, very big announcement. Get ready.
So, about a year ago, my brother and I started a YouTube channel called TiresAndSmoke, and it's been a blast. We had never expected to make anything off of it. We're not huge by any means, but we're almost up to 1,000 subscribers, and we had our 500 subscriber giveaway. We're giving away a Supercharger
Here, tonight.
So what you have to do is find our YouTube channel, subscribe to it, and then comment on the video. It says we're giving away a Supercharger. We're giving it away tonight. So far, there's only like 200 comments on the video. So honestly, your chances are pretty good. The chances of the Supercharger maybe be fitting on your car might not be so good. But it's fully functional, it works. Honestly, if you win it, sell it. We don't care. We're just trying to get rid of it.
That's our show. That's real.
Appreciate it. Thank you guys. Tires and Smoke, guys, all one word.
Congratulations, by the
Hey, thanks. I know. I appreciate it.
That's awesome.
I know. It just started off by a fluke. He made a video of putting the Supercharger on his car, and like 6 months later, he's like, "Holy shit, people are watching this."
Dude, yeah.
So like, well, let's do it. What? Oh, notice it.
What's that? What's going on?
The cops are taking a liking to our Mustangs.
Oh.
I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
You know, when
You
they
can win
said
that.
they're taking a liking to your Mustangs, I thought it was both of us, but it turns out it's just Nick, you know. That's cool, whatever.
Can I ask you guys a question? Is that legal to drive with if it's green? No. No? Okay.
You're not supposed to have any colors other than amber or white in reverse.
Okay.
Being able to be seen from the back.
If it was red? Or no?
In red, you probably could.
Okay. All right. Well, there you go.
There you go.
I know blue's a big no-no.
That's what we actually would take
Yeah.
notice of and be like, that's
Right.
our
Okay.
That's ours.
All right.
Good news.
You can do it.
My brother's not going to jail. Man, you know, I can't even see you. It's the complexion of your skin. There you go. Hey.
This will be the last time this sucker sits in our garage.
I know. Get it out of here. Might be a little. Oh yeah.
All right, guys. Everybody, listen up. This is what you're winning, and it works.
That is a hell of an altitude.
All right, so just as proof that we are 100% picking this at random, there's an app on YouTube. We run the link in there, and it picks one comment out of the entire video. So far, you have a 1 out of 254 chance of winning this.
Not
Hey, I'm really hoping someone here wins it because I don't want to pay for shipping to send it somewhere else.
All right, guys. Here
And
we go.
the winner is Kyle. Starts with an L. Lehrman. Is there a Kyle Lehrman here? No. Kyle has got himself Supercharger coming wherever he wins. Yeah, right.
I forgot that was.
Yeah. Hey, so Kyle Lehrman, I'm sorry. I don't think he's here. So Nathan is paying for shipping. I want to thank you guys for all your support, though. We always appreciate it, honestly. So if you see us around, we have the 2 Mustangs. Give a honk, give a wave, and yeah, introduce yourself. Say hi. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Donovan. I appreciate it.
I want to give a big thank you to each and every single one of you that came out tonight and made this possible. I also want to give a big shout out to these guys from Savage Culture that ran their meet with us and are working with us on a lot of stuff this year to be able to get back to where we need to be. All of you! All of you may have your differences with Green Bay Police Department. All of you have your stories. But I want you guys to all know that for the rest of this car season, we will have their 100% full support as long as we behave ourselves. I would like you guys all to watch out for Nathan and Nick.
And Damon.
And who?
Damon.
Damon.
My new brother-in-law.
Their new brother-in-law. They will be posting a dope-ass YouTube video about tonight. I just want to thank you guys for all coming out here and making this possible, because you know last year if you came out to our meets, we got way too big, way too fast, and we're trying to start over, and it's all because of you guys. So give yourselves a round of applause and have a good night.